So, as you all may know, I frequently go to Tokyo for business, and it just so happens that the seminar I was teaching last Thursday started at 1:30 in the afternoon. So I thought to myself, Bob, why not wake up super early in the morning, get the first Shinkansen from Osaka, and visit the new Nintendo store? My tired mind and sanity said no.
Nope.
But who follows their sanity these days? So today, we're taking a look at the newly opened Tokyo Nintendo store. So, it's 9:30 AM, and here we are at Shibuya Station in the rain. There's a lot of people about, but when isn't there in Tokyo? The Nintendo store we're looking for is located on the 6th floor of Parco, located right here. It's not too difficult to find. Quick chat with the staff to see how to get in, and they guide me up the outside. Okay. Well, out we go. There's a few people over there cleaning windows. Definitely wouldn't want that job. And here we are at the Tokyo Nintendo store. Right, time to jump in and... Wait, what? Wait, what do you mean there's a ticket reservation system? Wait, no one told me about this. Okay, so I have to line up in the no ticket line? How long is that going to take? 3 hours! Okay, well, it's 10 AM, and there's no one here basically, so I'm sure it won't take too long to get in. Okay, so we finally moved from the cold outside to the inside. We're so tantalizingly close. There is a funky TV here though, showing some Zelda history, so I'll let that run while I continue to talk. So yeah, apparently you need to get a reservation ticket before you come in. I wish I knew about that before coming in, but we're almost in now, so it doesn't matter too much. And finally, we're in. Okay, time to look around. So first off, let's look at the Nintendo statues. These are awesome and highly fit the theme of this channel. We have Inkling from Splatoon, Link from The Legend of Zelda in his Twilight Princess form, looking handsome as ever, Isabelle with young Timmy and Tommy, and of course the leader of them all, Mario. No Luigi though, sorry my man. But they are nicely placed throughout the store and make everything feel so much more alive. It definitely adds so much value to the whole experience. Next up, we'll talk about the main thing here. We'll talk about the goods. Basically, everything is categorized into a few Nintendo franchises. We have Splatoon, sporting lots of funky goods such as skateboards and thermos flasks. Zelda goods ranging from ties to badges, although the badges I wanted were sold out. There's Animal Crossing kitchen goods, and yeah, I got a beautiful glass jar here, as well as a lunchbox bag for the wife. A small Kirby shelf with some beautiful mini scenes, and yeah, these are very, very pretty. And Mario basically covering all bases, offering the widest variety. There are also some special Tokyo store only goods here, such as cookies, bags and t-shirts, but they weren't the best. They looked alright, but they weren't the best. There are also some Pokemon goods too, but these were massively overshadowed by the slick Pokemon Center across the way, and I'll give you a small little look at that at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Unfortunately though, many of the goods here are limited to one per person, so if you want something there and want to buy 2 of them, bring an extra person with you. This does cut down on people trying to resell online though, so that is good. And finally, there was an area where you can try out new Nintendo games. These are games that have just been released or games that are to be released very, very soon. It's a bit like E3, but all the games are already out. But there you have it. The Tokyo Nintendo store is awesome and I highly recommend visiting. Although it took us a little while to get in, it's definitely worth the wait. There are special goods you can only get here, and you get to meet Mario. Well, not real life Mario, but you know what I mean. Also, a little extra bonus content before we finish. I quickly had a look at the Pokemon Center behind the Nintendo store and, well, I'll let it speak for itself. Love you all!